Some of our brothers, our sisters that are living in America, Germany and Europe and United Kingdom, they complain to us, say to us, look at, we are here in Europe, we are here in Germany, but on Sunday, when we go in a big cathedral church, we see few old papa and mama inside the church. But here in Africa, why are we always praying? Why are we always every Sunday you will see people feed in church? But those people that brought us Christianity, if you go to their country right now, they are not serious the way Africans are serious. If you go to Sunday in that place, you will see only few people, old mama and papa inside the church. You will not see the youth. The youth don't have time to go to church. Bible have said this, what will happen in this end time. Do you see how many Africans right now, that demon has come to Africa right now, and that demon has been start his work. 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 1, Paul said it, that the Spirit of God is saying that in the last day, many will depart from the faith. This is what is happening in Igbo land, and this is what is happening in so many African countries. Many of them are returning back to their root. This is exactly what is happening to the Europe. This is exactly what is happening to the England. When you come to Africa, they say that they want to return back to their root. The next thing they will do, they will go and start worshiping idolatry. This